Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a one bedroom for sale in the residences at District 1 Mohammed Bin Rashid City by Khail for just 1.6 million. Ideally this property would at least be upwards of 2 million, but I'm going to show you why it's so competitively priced. Just behind me is the balcony. And the reason we are selling it for 1.6 million is because the lagoon has been dry for over a year. What would be a blue crystal water lagoon, 7 kilometers, has been dry and will be restored within a year and a half. Behind me is Meydan Street. You connect to Dubai Mall and downtown in 5 minutes and all the other major highways. Now let's look at the rest of the apartment. What I like about this unit is the premium finish on the kitchen countertops and the cabinets. The white finish. You can't even make out that this is a fridge. All these are Miele appliances, your cooking range, your stove and your oven. There's a guest powder room on the right side with premium finishing. You also see a separate laundry room with additional space for storage. Now let's look at my favorite part. The master bedroom evenly spaced out square shape with floor to ceiling windows. We are shooting this video in the afternoon and you can see plenty of sunlight coming in naturally. This complements the master bedroom's wardrobe, which has a premium finished attached bathroom. At this price, 2,100 square feet, this is a steal. This can be rented easily at 120, 130 when the lagoon is up. So the time to buy is now at 1.6 million. If you want to know more about this investment, reach out to me. Tarun Bojwani, your advisor to Dubai Real Estate, signing off for now, but I'll see you soon.